Hi guys, welcome to SNR Academy. It's an online coaching for GATE and IES 2018. So, let me tell you about myself. My name is Rohit Prakash and I have done BTech from MNIT Allahabad. I have also worked in Oracle and I am resigned from there to pursue my passion. So guys, I will be taking your analog lectures. In this lecture, we will see overview of analog electronics from competitive exam perspective. It is the backbone of electronics engineering. So guys, you should prepare the subject thoroughly and we will help you in preparing this. So now let's start guys. We will start from syllabus of GATE. Here we have to study diodes. In diodes we have to study clippers, clampers and diode circuits and rectifiers. Then in BJT we have to study biases, amplifiers, mid frequency small signal analysis. Then we have MOSFETs, then we have operational amplifiers, then we have filters, then some miscellaneous topics like voltage reference circuits, 555 timers, IC, etc. And guys, BJTs, MOSFETs and op-amps, these three are the most important topics of GATE. Then guys, we have IES syllabus. In this we have diodes, we have BJTs, FETs, biasings, and we have extra here is JFET amplifiers. Then we have feedbacks, filters, amplifiers. Then extra is integrated circuits. So guys, from syllabus point of view, both have similar syllabus, but if you are focusing mainly on GATE, then you should practice more number of problems. And for years you should not miss any topic. You should be theoretically sound. Although we will cover both theory and numerical part extensively, but you should keep revising and practicing more number of problems on your own. So now let's see previous year analysis. So guys, if we see in GATE, they are asking like 8 to 10 marks question every year, and in IES objective they are asking like 20 to 25 marks, and in IES conventional paper they are asking like 50 to 60 marks question every year. So see guys, it has a huge weightage जिसके बिना selection तो हो ही नहीं सकता. So if you follow us regularly, you will definitely maximize your score and your chances to get selected. So now, course agenda. So guys, we will cover the whole syllabus in about 40 to 45 lectures, and we will follow this order. Firstly, we will take basics. In this, we will just see overview of analog electronics. Then we will jump to diodes. In diodes, we will see rectifiers, then filters, then regulator circuits. Then in BJT and MOSFET, we will see biasings, amplifiers, and different configuration like common emitter, common base, common source, common drain, etc. And some models like pi models, hybrid model and T models. Then we will jump to low and high frequency model. Then in feedback amplifiers we will study different types of feedback like shunt series, series shunt, current series, etc. And in this we will also study Darlington pair, cascade amplifiers, etc. Then we have tuned amplifiers. We will just see basics of tuned amplifier because it's not that important from both GATE and IES point of view. Then we have power amplifiers. In power amplifiers we have class A, class B, class AB, push pull amplifier, class C, etc. Then we have differential amplifier. In this we will know CMRR, differential gain, common mode gain, etc. Then we have operational amplifiers. In operational amplifiers we have negative feedback circuits, we have positive feedback circuits. So this topic guys, this is very easy but most important. So we will cover a number of problems in this topic. Then we have oscillators. In oscillators we have RC oscillators, LC oscillators and crystal oscillators. Then we have 555 timer IC. In this we have astable multivibrators, bistable multivibrators and monostable multivibrators. Then we have miscellaneous topic. In this miscellaneous topic we have filter circuits, and some topics which can be directly asked in IAS or GATE exam. So we will cover. Then guys, now what you have to do. हाँ सो गाइज, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने वीडियो देखा और सोच रहे हैं कि हाँ अब तो तैयार हो गया, अब तो बस 4 डालेंगे, एग्ज़ाम 4 डालेंगे. सो नहीं. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. So guys, after completion of each topic, you guys have to go through previous year GATE and IAS question paper. Although we will discuss some question in the class itself, but you guys have to try yourself. And in case of any doubt, just mail us to snr.academy.gate@gmail.com and put subject as analog. We will try to resolve all your doubts as soon as possible. So guys, yeah. So guys, ऐसे बुक्स की ज़रूरत तो नहीं है, लेकिन किसी को लगता है कि बुक्स के बिना वो अधूरे हैं, means, so they can refer Microelectronic Circuits by Cedra Smith and Millman Helkias. These two are good books. And guys, again I am stressing the fact that previous year GATE and IAS question paper are must. Please do solve. So guys, thank you guys, thank you for listening. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated, and you can reach us at snr.academy.gate@gmail.com, and please like our FB page @snracademy.official. So guys, thank you.